what's up? Today we're gonna do a whole house declutter. I like to do these regular maintenance declutters of my home, I don't know, every 6 months to once a year, to whenever I just feel like our house needs it. If you're into minimalism, if you're trying to sort through your stuff and lighten the load of your house, I created a free ebook called The Ultimate Guide to Home Decluttering. It is the room-by-room purposeful approach to decluttering. I just wanted to let you know about it. It is available for free in the link in the description. Let's get busy decluttering.
get up on the wrong side of the bed too. Many times I know I don't do what I should do, even when I know it's good for me. And I don't really have an excuse, but you know, maybe it is time to try again. Maybe I'm the first to tell you that your days aren't over yet. Not yet. I don't want you to forget. Maybe there's another page to this, and maybe you're the perfect fit.
I think that we should try again.
Oh no,
This is not the end,
my friend. Y'all know what time it is. Life ain't all that it's gone up to be. All these castles we built on the beach and watched them wash away. But there's another day. Life will be what you make it to be. Time keeps ticking along to your beat. So this I wanna say, because I know it will be worth it. I think that we should try again.
We had a bunch of these baskets. Recently we just got like a toy organizing shelf. And we had a bunch of baskets that I had intended to use to organize the toys. These baskets didn't end up fitting in our toy shelf. So that's all right. I'm just gonna donate them to Goodwill. These shoes, these are Zero shoes. They're barefoot shoes, and I just find that I am actually barefoot. I don't need barefoot shoes. I don't know, I just don't also like this toe area. Bag of cloth diapers that are still in good condition. There's some home goods, towel stains, a shirt that a kid grew out of, sunglasses, we watched my last video, just don't wear, and some Post-its. I don't actually know if I can donate these. Unopened, unused light bulbs, and a plant pot that I'm not using. I like the plant pots that have a drainage hole. My husband wants to bring me things home that he finds on the beach. Just like, I don't know what that is. Dumpster dive. Anyway, they don't fit me, so we're donating them. This is a backpack that my husband no longer uses. Beach chair that is old and we just don't use. This is a bathroom mirror that we ended up replacing. So we're gonna grab that. This is just a bag of trash. These are 2 chairs that go in their dining set that we just don't use. This is a whole box of my clothes. Yeah, things that don't fit anymore, just worn out. An old pan that is just, I'm honestly gonna put that in the trash, but I don't use up so much space in a trash bag. A watering can that needs to go in the trash too, there's a hole in it. I got one of those packs of like microfiber cloths, and I don't need 6 or however many came with it, I just need 2. And then this is a bag of my husband's stuff. Let's see what he's getting rid of. 2 hats. I like that color. Polos that he doesn't wear anymore. Socks. Okay, that's it. Comment below your favorite place to donate items. All your suggestions are much appreciated as I get this stuff out of our house. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the